Today marks the birth anniversary of Sri Acharya Abhinav Gupta, a polymath from 10th century Kashmir. Acharya Abhinav Gupta is revered as one of the foremost luminaries of Indian intellectual tradition. Born around 950 CE, Abhinav Gupta is known for his profound contribution through his expositions on Kashmir Shaivism or Trikashaivism. Throughout history, Kashmir has been a bastion of spirituality. From the era of the Mahabharata until 900 AD, it served as a nurturing ground for a multitude of cultures. This period was a testament to a higher level of tolerance with no clashes of cultures, of exiles, of faith and practices. It fostered an environment for the practice and debate of various viewpoints and elevated collective consciousness. This rich heritage is a treasure that needs to be preserved and celebrated. Kashmir's legacy includes great saints, scholars, artists, and grammarians. Kashmir also had notable kings and conquerors who extended their boundaries without bloodshed or treachery. Abhinav Gupta, also known as Acharya Abhinav Gupta, was born around 940 AD to Narsimhagupta and Vimla. His deep engagement with Shiva Yoga and contributions to India's philosophical traditions earned him with titles of Visionary of Visionaries. He was also called as Thinker of Thinkers, Preceptor of Preceptors, and Acharya of Acharyas. Despite his significant contributions, Abhinav Gupta is notably absent from Kalhana's Rajatarangini, which focused on kings and court scholars. Abhinav Gupta operated independently of court patronage, which is a possible reason for this omission. He authored over 40 literary works on various disciplines, including systems, siddhant, karma, Bhairav, Yamal, Kola, and Tantra Shastra. His prolific output continues to attract global attention, with over 50 universities and scholars worldwide currently researching his work. His commentaries on Anandavardhana's Dhyan Lok and Bharat Muni's Natya Shastra earned him fame throughout India. Tragically, much of Abhinav Gupta's work has been lost due to the turmoil in Kashmir post-12th century. It is said that at the age of 68, Abhinav Gupta wrote the Bhairava Stotra and along with his 1200 disciples entered a cave near Bhairava while chanting the verses, fully immersing himself in Shiva never to return. In light of radicalized forces attempting to erase Kashmir's rich heritage, remembering Abhinav Gupta is crucial. Celebrating his millennial year annually for the next few years will highlight Kashmir's spiritual connections and rich heritage, enlightening Kashmir's and the broader world. This celebration will serve as a rightful homage to this legendary figure, ensuring his contributions are remembered and appreciated. Thanks for watching.